Hello, everybody. C# tutorial on how to make tabs on a tab control appear and disappear with a special control method. I don't know what I just said, but all I know is that it has to do with making a way for tabs to appear and disappear. So let's name this tabs disappear and show. Basically, this is, I don't care if I spelled it wrong. Basically, this is just a tutorial to show people how to do this. Pretty simple, actually. Well, I think we should get started. Hurry up, you stupid computer. Meaning, hurry up. What the? Creating project. Yes, yes. Oh, here it goes. I found it. Wait, no. I already found it. Not dumb. At least I hope I'm not. So, I don't know. Yeah. So let's go to our toolbox and pull out tabs. A tab thingy, I forgot what it's called. Tab control. Alright, you're gonna wanna grab your control. Hey, dude, just. Okay, so we got our tab control. Let's just warm it up like this. And let's just make it full screen. Something. We're gonna want a button. The button is gonna go not actually in the tab control, but close. And this is gonna be called add tab. Well, text is gonna be add tab. Okay. Now on this tab control thing, we're gonna want to add a lot of tab pages, so just do that. Alright, and we want a function, so when it loads, it does this. Now, we're gonna create two private regions. This one's gonna be called region gen methods. Alright, and then there's gonna be an end region. Yep. Really? Gotta be that slow. Alright, and then we're gonna have another region named my methods. And then we're just gonna have a end region. And since we're nice, I'm gonna make it very simple. Void. Wait, no. Private. Void. Show tab. Wait, that won't work. Then we're just gonna do this. And then bada boom. Wait, that will never work. Not in a million years. Ugh. Holding a phone in one hand to record this. Okay. So it's going to be show tabs, and since we want the tab control and what it in that and the certain tab we want, so we're going to have a tab. We're going to have to declare what's going to be added in here. So we want a tab control, and we'll name it G, and there's going to be tab page, and that's going to be named F. So basically what we're saying right here is that you're going to have to tell us what the tab control name is, put a comma, and then tell what the tab page is. And since this is going to be show tab, we're basically going to make it show tab. So we're just going to have to do G dot add, no, bad, G dot wait, there's a remove. Oh, that's control removed. Tab pages dot add. Found it. Then we're just gonna have to have F, and then put that. Then we're just gonna copy this and paste it. Except this one's gonna be called hide. And it's going to be the same thing, except this is not going to be add, it's going to be remove. And it's just going to remove whatever tab page you're going to do. So in order to make it so it adds tabs, we're going to have tab page 1, 2, 3, 4, all to 10 already gone. So using our method, which is going to be pretty dang easy, we're going to do hide tab, then we're just going to do this, and then it's going to be tab control 1, comma, tab page 1. Then we'll do that. We're going to copy and paste this a lot. So control C, control V, and just keep doing that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's all we actually need because we're not hiding tab 1. So you're just going to want to keep doing this. And there you go. So we created our own control, our own methods, because this is basically what it is for hide and show for everything. It's just going to be add and remove, because if you ever notice, there's going to be an add and remove. So right there, if we run our program, you're only going to see the one yet, but this is not doing anything yet. Nothing. So yes, we're going to do that. And we're going to have an integer. Int I. Wait, no. I equals 2. Now it's just going to be a bunch of if statements. If I equals 2, if I equals 2, we're going to show tab. Show tab. Tab control 1, comma, tab page 2. And then you're just going to close that. And then end it. Then put an else. Oh, wait, no. That's right. It's gay like that. And then we're just going to copy and paste this. Oh, bad. Control C. Control V. Then Control V. And since it did that, we're going to have to fix it. Yay, we fixed it. Then we're just going to have to control this whole lot. Control paste. And we're just going to have to keep doing this. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, doesn't matter. And just put them on right now. Wait, no. Don't even have to do that. And once you're right here, you just do I++. Oh, apparently we are going to have to do that. Because it's so gay. Uh, that's wrong. This is taking longer than I expected. And then last but not least, the last one. And then there you go. Then you're just going to put I++ on all of these. And paste them. And then we're going to do one more. Else, no. Just do it one more time. But this one is not going to show a tab. It's going to have a message box. Message box. Wait, that show. No. Wait, that's control. Show. Then. And once you do that, just put there are no more tabs. Alright, then you're just gonna have to change all of these. That's 2, make that 3, make this 4, and so on, 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 so on, And yep. And then you're not going to do this. You're going to change all these to the appropriate tabs. There's a better way of doing it, I know, but do I really feel like it? I don't think so. Wait, this is supposed to control 10. This one's supposed to control 9. 8. Oh, found it. And that should do it. Just add a tab, add a tab, add a tab, and then it's not working. Oh, I'm gonna have to change this to 11. Alright, now it should work. And add a tab, and add a tab, and add a tab, and add a tab, and more tabs, and more tabs, and more tabs, and I wonder if I can do one more tab. Aw, there's no more tabs. But this is basically how you get a method for showing a tab and hiding a tab. Hope this was a useful tutorial that you may be able to use someday. Thank you. Roxas out.